Hello everyone, in today's video I am going to teach you how to analyze data in SPSS using the descriptive statistics. When we talk about descriptive statistics, we mean a set of methods or techniques that's used to summarize and describe our data variables. This is a data which I have uploaded into SPSS. In my previous lessons, I taught you how to upload data into SPSS and also how to organize your data. So you can check my previous lessons on how to do that. So let's proceed to our lesson for today. So we are going to look specifically at analyzing the frequencies of our data variables. As you can see, this is a data which I have uploaded into SPSS. This is actually an accident data. The variables under consideration, we have the age, we have the gender, we have accident, and we have the population. First of all, we have to confirm from the variable view if everything is okay. Then we can proceed with our analysis. So you click on variable view to confirm if the information under each of the categories are okay. So as you can see, I don't think there is anything that I have to change here, since everything appears accurate and is good for analysis. So let me go back to the data view. So to start with the data analysis, I will go to analyze at the menu bar. I click on analyze. Then this drop down list appears. So I would have to locate descriptive statistics. So when I click on descriptive statistics, another drop down list appears at the right hand side. Then I locate frequency, so I click on frequency since that is what I want to do. Okay, so when this dialog box appears, you would see that we have all the variables which have been listed in our data file at the left side of the frequency box. So here we can analyze for all the categories, or we can also analyze for the individual variables. Let's say, for instance, I want to analyze the frequencies for the age category. So I click on that and I click on this button. So when I click on this button, it switches position from the left side to the right side. At this point, SPSS recognizes that this is the variable that we want to analyze. In a similar fashion, I can also send it back in case maybe I change my mind and I don't want to analyze it again. I click on the same button, then it switches position from the right hand side to the left side. Good. And let's say this time around I want to analyze the gender. I click on gender, I click on this same button, it switches position. So you do the same for all the variables. So let's say if I want to analyze all the 4 variables, so all that I have to do is to press Ctrl on my keyboard and I click on the rest of the variables. In another way, you can also press Ctrl A on your keyboard and all the variables will be highlighted like this. Good. Then I can switch the positions from the left side to the right side. I click on the button. Good. So basically what we are trying to do here now is to analyze the frequencies for all the variables. So when you are done, you click on OK. Maybe for some of you, this may be unchecked. So you have to check it so that SPSS recognizes that you want to display the frequency tables. Today, we are not going to look at this side because we are only interested in analyzing the frequencies. So after you are done with this, you click on OK. Good. So this is the output that we are getting from SPSS. So as you can see, this is the frequency table for gender. This is the frequency table for the age category. This is the frequency table for accidents. And this is the frequency table for the population. In doing this, we are done with analyzing the frequencies for your variables. That's it for today's lesson, and I hope to catch you again in my next lesson. Bye-bye.